Can I use Rocket Money without a bank account? Intro. Hey there, you're struggling with your finances. Bills piling up, debts looming large, and no clear path to financial freedom. Now, imagine a tool that could help you take control of your financial situation, even if you don't have a traditional bank account. Hook. That's the question we're tackling today. Can you use Rocket Money without a bank account? Building context. Before we dive into the answer, let's quickly understand what Rocket Money is. It's a personal finance app designed to help you track your spending, identify areas where you can save money, and even negotiate bills. But can it do all this without connecting to your bank account? Answer: yes, but with limitations. The short answer is yes, you can use Rocket Money without linking a bank account. However, there are certain limitations. Manual entry. One of the primary ways to use Rocket Money without a bank account is through manual entry. This means you'll have to input all your transactions manually. While it might seem time-consuming at first, it can be a good way to stay on top of your finances and develop a better understanding of your spending habits. Credit card integration. Another option is to connect your credit cards to Rocket Money. This will allow you to track your credit card transactions, but you'll still need to manually enter any cash or debit card transactions. Limited features. While you can use Rocket Money without a bank account, you might not have access to all the features. For example, you might not be able to get as accurate a picture of your overall financial health without connecting your bank account. Benefits of linking a bank account. Let's talk about the benefits of linking a bank account to Rocket Money. When you connect your bank account, Rocket Money can automatically import your transactions, saving you time and effort. It can also provide you with a more comprehensive view of your financial situation, including your net worth and cash flow. Considerations. Before linking your bank account, it's important to consider the security risks. Make sure you're using a reputable personal finance app and that the app has strong security measures in place. Conclusion. So, can you use Rocket Money without a bank account? The answer is yes, but with limitations. If you're willing to put in the extra effort to manually enter your transactions, Rocket Money can still be a valuable tool for managing your finances. Ultimately, the best approach depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're comfortable with manual entry and don't need access to all the features, using Rocket Money without a bank account might be a good option for you. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks.